Hello, today we're gonna work on a switch, gearbox control switch for Jaguar XK8, which keep going, show me on the dashboard gearbox fault. I make a diagnostic and the code P0706 I think is coming on and show this one is the issue. I see online they cost around 100-200 pounds second hand. Some of them they suggest can fix it. I see a lot of videos in this. I'll try to fix by myself when pop up out these rivets and see inside the connection how it is, and let's see if we not fix it. I'll order it second hand. Let's see. Most common issue for Jaguar XK8 gearbox fault is this one or the J gate. Let's see. This is how it look inside. In first view you look nothing wrong, but when I look carefully I see here the line is missing. Also here how you see scratched. I don't know how this one can affect, but here these pins is very dirty also. They not good connected anymore, look like burn. I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's a bit bended. See.